Today I'm going to show you how to program your Easy Dial sprinkler timer made by Orbitz, and it's a 6-station timer. Bought this at Lowe's for about $29. Now to program this, this is basically what you're going to have. First thing you want to do is set the time. You just turn it to date and clock. You'll then want to go ahead and set your time. If you want to move it up, you press the positive button, or if you want to go down, you press the minus button. Now you can't hold it and it will go fast. So again, you can hold it down and it will go fast. But the time is right around 12:16. You then press enter. It will go to then AM or PM. When you're trying to set the AM or PM, again, if you press the positive button, it moves to AM. Move the minus button, it will go to PM. Or you can just use one button and it'll go back and forth. You then press enter. We'll then go into the year. It is 2018, but again, you can change that if you'd like. You go ahead and enter it. This is the month, again, up or down. You then move into the day of the month. It goes all the way up to 31. And today is the 1st, so we'll leave it there and then we're done. You then move to the start time. I like to go at night or in the morning, but again, you've got the same thing. Plus key to change the time. This is when the timer is going to start watering. You can hold it down and it will go very fast, but I'm going to keep that at 5 a.m. Then the run time. Now you're going to have each station. For station 1, I've got it at 1 minute. I can go up with that. Can then move to station 2, and you can move that too. Then we're going to move to station 3. We'll move that up a little bit. Station 3. Move that up a little bit. You can go up or down. Station 4. Now this is where I have my garden, so I don't water it very long. Keep it at, we'll move that up to 5. Station 6. We'll move that down a little bit. And, excuse me, that was 5 and then 6. Front yard, we want that to look a little bit greener, so we'll move that up to 18. Okay, we are now on the how often. Now I've got it set Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. You can see, but it's got the box on it. Now, if I wanted to take that off, I would, then it moves to Monday. So to take it off, you just go ahead and keep going, take it off. And then if you want to add the day, and then just go ahead and move to the next day. I'm going to go every other day. So we're going back to Tuesday. We'll turn that on. We'll go to Thursday, turn that on. And Sunday, we'll turn that on. Or you have this option. You can go at an interval every day. Go every 32 days. You can go every 2 days. So, and this will tell you the days that it's going to water. Or you can go to the odd or even. It'll do odd or even days. So you can pick odd or even. Now again, if you don't want it, just keep skipping through it. But like I say, I like to go every other day, and I know which days it's going to come on. But you can do the interval, what days you want it to go, or you can do the odd and even days. We'll then move it to the manual position. And when you put it to the manual position, you'll see that it shows you when your next watering day is and what time. So my next watering day will be Saturday, 5 a.m. And So make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. We'd sure appreciate it. It helps us to keep our videos going. Thanks so much and have a great day.